at my cousin's house, and today it's Jazzy's birthday, and we are doing a special Maria's Kitchen show for Jazzy. I'm going to show her how to make a cake, and she's going to be alongside.
I'm Jasmine, and I'm turning 12 today.
And are you excited to do this cake with me?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, she's been asking me, and we are so excited to do this today. And I am going to just go right into the ingredients. And I just want to let you know that if you don't want to do my vanilla cake, I have a link that I'll put on the side for the vanilla cake. You'll need 2 of them, or you can just get the Super Frost Super Moist Betty Crocker and make this, and make 2 9-inch. I have 2 9-inch. You're going to need some sprinkles. You're going to need something to spread the buttercream with. You're going to need to make 1 batch of my buttercream, and I'll put a link on that. And you're going to either go to Michael's and get some printouts. They have the letter printouts, and we're doing J for Jazzy, or I cut this out on the Cricut. So whatever you choose, we are just going to need a letter, or if you want to do a number, that's absolutely fine. So we are going to first get started on frosting this cake, and we'll be right back. First thing she is going to do, Jazzy, she's going to just put a little spatula of buttercream frosting, and she's going to go all the way around, and then we're going to smooth the side, and then we'll go to the top. So start right here on this side, and you can just, yes, perfect. And then get another and keep going. Okay, good. And then just turn it. We're just gonna fill in the middle area first. And I'm gonna squeeze in here and just kind of just go like this while she's doing it, okay? Perfect. Okay, and keep going. And we will be right back and show you the frosted sides. So don't worry about it looking like this, because we're going to come back and we're going to get this and smooth this whole side. So it doesn't matter how, we just are trying to cover the center where the frosting is in between, and she wanted chocolate, so we got chocolate filling in there. We'll be right back. So we're going to smooth the side. I'm just showing just how. So we're smoothing the side, and we're just going to go along with a large spatula, and we'll get a little bit more. If you need a little more, you just add some on the top, and you just keep going around, and you keep smoothing it like this, and just get it as smooth as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. It takes practice, and it takes other tools that I'll show you if you want to use. And it's almost done. We'll be back to do the top. We got the sides all done, Jazzy and I, and so her mom wanted me to do, it's called kind of a naked cake. And so what you do is you run this along the side, and it exposes some of the cake, and you can see it. It's kind of a more natural, like, I don't know, like woodsy. And so you're just going to run it really thick all the way around. And do you see it's showing some of the cake, and it shows the brown, and that's how she wanted it. And there you go. We're going to go ahead and do the top now. We're back on, and I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of spoonfuls on top, and Jazzy is going to smooth it out. You want to try the big one this time. Let's see what. And then just try to smooth it. I think maybe the little one might be better. I think you're more comfortable. Yeah, and just start smoothing it across the top. Just the best you can. Yeah, yeah. Good. Look at that. Okay. Okay.
Look at her. She's a natural. She's all figuring it out.
And you can also turn this. Just try not to touch that edge. Yeah. So I just want to let you know, if you want to get the top smooth, I have a little bit of water. And so what you do is you just stick this in the water, and then you put it on there, and you just smooth it out. And because we're getting ready to put that J, the letter, on top. So you'll just keep getting it. And look how smooth. Yeah. There you go. So we're getting ready to put the J on, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get a little bit of powdered sugar and I'm gonna kind of put it on the back of the J. Now I don't want it to stick, but if it does stick, I'm gonna show you something to do if it does stick. But we've got the powdered sugar on this back side so that it doesn't stick. And I'm gonna let Jazzy put it on, place it on. So are you ready? Just place it, leave room on both sides, Jazzy, and just press it in very lightly. Just set it on, and then you don't want to press it in too much. Yeah, a little more this way. Okay, right there, perfect. Okay, so now you're gonna start doing the sprinkles around the side, Jazzy. Go ahead, start sprinkling. You don't have to press it down very much, just very lightly. And then you're gonna just start filling the whole side with sprinkles, all the way around the J. Okay. And you can kind of press some in a little. I'll help you on this side. I'll help you on this side. And we're just gonna push that down so that we know it's not getting, and we do have a big cookie sheet under to catch, and the side of the cake. So you're gonna have to press some down. And you can press a couple of those down if you want, Jazzy, on just those on the side. And we're filling it up. And we'll cut it out, and that looks great. We got it right there, and we're about to reveal. Okay. We got it all. I'm gonna get a little extra in there to the side. Okay, we will be back to reveal. So here we are lifting. We're gonna lift very slowly. We're gonna lift the J. And if it did stick, it's okay because we can always pipe the middle of it. And here we go. And we're lifting. And we got it off. And there it is. We've got the J, and we're gonna go ahead and pipe the middle, and we'll be right back. So here we are. We're gonna go ahead and pipe in the J, and we're gonna go ahead and get it started. And then I'm going to have Jazzy fill the middle in. So we're gonna start right here on the end on the J, and you're just gonna do little, tiny, little, and I'll give you the size of the tip so that you know what size. I'm gonna go all the way around, and we're just gonna keep going like this, very tiny. And I'm gonna let Jazzy do the middle. So I'll keep going around, and I will be right back. Jazzy, and I'm gonna have to help you. Hold it straight up. You're gonna squeeze, let go, squeeze, let go, squeeze, let go, squeeze, let go. You want me to help you here? Here we go. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh, look at, she's doing great. Oh my gosh, Jazzy. Perfect. Check that out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So we're back on, and look how cute. She's been practicing. And she sprinkled some purple dust on. So we're gonna put an edge on this, and she's going to sprinkle the purple. I don't know what it's called. What is it called? Like little,
I think it's like
a shimmer purple dust. Okay, so when I'm going around, Jazzy, you sprinkle on that right there. You sprinkle it on just from a little above. Yeah, that looks cute. So I'm making an edging for this, And she's sprinkling purple all the way around. And we can get this edging. And I just want to let you know that you can use any color of sprinkles. This is confetti, but there's like white and pink and just like so many other colors. So we're all done. Look at the J, it looks so beautiful. And thank you so much, you did a great job. This was her absolute first time ever decorating a cake. And she did great in that piping. And she did that one, and we're gonna have to try this. This is vanilla, and so here we go, Jazzy, let's eat up. Happy birthday. Don't you love that buttercream? Fresh buttercream. You've got to try that recipe. I'll put it in a link, and you've got to make a double batch. We'll be right back with the scripture of the day. We are all done, and I'm so thankful that you spent time with me today. And Jazzy, did you have a good time?
Yes.
And look at how cute. I'm going to tilt it as far as I can, but look at the J is so cute. And we got a bunch of sprinkles on the bottom. And she did a really good job. And today she's going to read the scripture of the day. And it is...
Children, obey your parents in everything, for this pleases the Lord. Colossians 3:20.
So children, obey your parents. That's a very good scripture. And you know what? We are going to let Jazzy go ahead and open up her presents. I got her one and Ashley got her one. And it's her birthday today. And so this is what she wanted for her birthday, was to film a show. So I came over her house. And go ahead and open it up, Jazzy.
Starbucks.
Mom!
We forgot to go to Starbucks today.
Pull it out. We have a Starbucks brand new in our town. I won't tell you where we live, but in our town. I got you a Starbucks card that says happy birthday. And you just got happy birthday. And then pull out some more stuff.
She get a gift card? I don't know.
It's lotion and a spray, the matching spray.
Ooh.
So we got these, and go ahead and open
Okay,
one
Mom,
from
press
Ash.
play.
That's from Ashley.
3, 2, 1, go.
Which one is it?
Yeah, the red one.
Okay.
Slime! Just what I wanted.
Let me see.
Jazz is still recording.
Pretty.
Yeah, I
It's pink.
You're done?
Look at that.
Wait, no.
Oh my gosh, Jazzy! Friday night party. Oh my gosh, 3 slimes. Okay, and
Bubblegum.
give me a hug, and we'll be back on the show again, and she will be cooking in Maria's kitchen next time, and we'll be doing mermaid cookies. And say bye and say subscribe.
Bye,
Bye, subscribe, and give us like and thumbs up. And we want to say anything, Jazzy?
No.
Okay, bye.